Okay, so we're going to show you next how to clone. First we're going to go and look up an active course that we're going to clone. There we go. We're going to pull up some familiar craft shop course numbers. Spring 18, it was fiscal year, spring semester, and CS for craft shop, and that pulls up all of our workshops there. I'm going to go to this pottery class and pull that up, a spring workshop, and we're going to turn it into a summer workshop. So I've got dates and all this stuff is the old stuff, February date. I'm going to go over here and push the clone button here, okay. Boom, okay. Pop-ups the screen. Now I can either type in a new code or I can go to this Alt F1 and I can bring up the old number and just change it slightly. So we'll do that. Boom, there it is. Okay, so spring, I'm going to take out the P for spring and just leave it as an S for summer, CS for craft shop, and we're going to, I think I'm going to put this as a 3 just to make sure I'm off numbers here. Click OK, boom, I have a new number, 18SCSO, ending in 3. We're only going to have one class this summer, so I'm going to change the title, get rid of that. So it's no longer a section 1. Come down here, we need to change the date. Oh, there's the short title is going to be slightly different. We'll have to go and fix that in a minute. Okay, let's go to June, and we'll go 18th for a start date. Double click and it'll populate, and those are going to be 5 days in a row, so I'm just going to go ahead and click as opposed to 5 weeks. So I'm going to populate that. In the summertime we often push workshops together because people go on vacations and it's easier to do a solid week than it is to do other things. Okay, time wise, let's push this back here to, let's say, 5 p.m. 5:30 or 5 p.m. Let's go 5:30 on that. And p.m. and of course we need to extend that out so it's ending at a certain time, 5:30, 7:30. Alright, and now we got all that. Now notice the end date isn't on there yet. And there's some other stuff left over, but when I click save it's going to clean this up. Here we go, save. And there we have it. Okay, now this is the main page. We have additional information. There's that short title that was mentioned before, and we want to get rid of this section 1 because it's the only ceramic class this summer. And we're going to push save on each of these tabs as we leave them. And there are fees, we're going to leave those the same. Nice thing about cloning, we've got instructors. These are people that can be contacted. Okay, here's Beth. She's retired. We're going to remove her. Are you sure you want to remove? Yes. Okay. Boom. We'll leave Bomsey up there. I don't have anybody else. This is really just more of an administrative thing, so we're not going to worry about it. And the other stuff we don't deal with. Okay. Then we're going to hit save. And that was the fees. Now instructors, fees, comments. We can have a little short warning message. This is often used like in glass workshops. You must be a certain age. Wood shop have to be a certain age. Ceramics we're good with just about anybody. We've got some description, and you can see it's HTML coding in there, so you got to be careful if you change stuff here that you don't mess up coding. And we're just going to leave all that the same. No warnings up there. And we're going to hit save again just to make sure. And there you have it, a workshop. And you can even hit OK, close. Boom, takes you back to that page.